Hello guys, today we are unboxing the latest Tamron 17-70mm f2.8 for the Canon RF mount. So, after quite a bit of thinking, comparing, and waiting, I finally decided to get myself a new lens. And here it is, the Tamron 17-70mm f2.8 III-A VC RXD. I've been using my Canon R10 for quite some time now, and while the camera itself is absolutely capable, I was looking for something that could give me a lot more flexibility without having to carry multiple lenses everywhere. And after looking at quite a few options, I finally settled on this one. So, let's open it up and see what we have. The packaging is pretty simple and straightforward. Nothing too fancy, but everything is packed properly and securely. And after opening the box, here's the first look at the lens. And honestly, seeing it for the first time in person feels pretty satisfying. The Tamron 17-70 is designed specifically for APS-C mirrorless cameras, which makes it a really interesting option for my Canon R10. The first thing I noticed is the size and the overall feel. It feels solid in the hand, but it doesn't feel ridiculously heavy either. What's really nice is that I get f2.8 throughout the entire 17-70mm range. So whether I'm shooting at the wide end or zooming all the way in, I don't have to worry about losing that maximum aperture. At 17mm, this should be really useful for landscapes, travel, architecture, street photography, and even some handheld video. And then we have 70mm at the other end. That's where things get interesting for portraits, details, compressed landscapes, and hopefully some wildlife too. The zoom ring feels smooth, the focus ring is nicely placed, and the overall construction gives it a pretty premium feel. Another feature I was particularly looking forward to is Tamron's VC vibration compensation. Since I shoot a lot of handheld photography, having stabilization built into the lens should definitely come in handy. And now, the moment I've been waiting for. Let's put this thing on the Canon R10. And honestly, I really like how this combination looks. It definitely makes the camera feel more substantial, but at the same time, it feels like a proper all-round setup. One camera, one lens, and a whole lot of possibilities. Of course, this is just an unboxing. I haven't had enough time with the lens yet to call this a review. But I'm really excited to take it outside and see what it can actually do. I'll be testing it with landscapes, portraits, travel shots, video, and obviously, I'm going to put it through some wildlife photography as well. So yeah, this is officially the beginning of my Tamron 17-70 journey. Let's see if this little piece of glass can become the one lens I actually don't want to take off my R10. And with that, the unboxing is done. Now it's time to take it out into the real world. See you soon with a hands-on review in the real world. Thanks for watching.